Okay, what I'm going to show you today is how to create a casing which will cover over the elastic for your shorts and your skirts. So if you come over here, first thing I've actually done is pressed down our raw edge, because when we fold this over, what we don't want to see is a raw edge, because if that frays, it could actually fray the seam and it could start coming away. So first thing I've done is that. The next thing I'm going to do is actually use the piece of elastic, or the right size of elastic, because they come in different thicknesses, to figure out how big my casing needs to be. Now we will want some room for the elastic to be able to be moved in and out, because otherwise you are going to find it really difficult to actually get it in place once you've sewn your casing. Now all I'm actually going to do now is press that line so that it's nice and flat, and I can see exactly now where I need to sew, because I'm actually going to sew along this edge. So if I take you over to the sewing machine, now I've already made sure that this is all set up and is ready to go. You will want to put your piece of material face down into your machine so you can't actually see where you've folded the line. That's because this colour is the colour that I want to be on the top, and also the bobbin stitch looks slightly different from the top stitch. So I'm just placing my piece of material in. I'm feeling for where my line is, and I'm putting my presser foot down. Now all I'm going to do to start off is to go one stitch in and then reverse back, and I'm just going to carry on guiding to make sure that the edge of the material is basically on the inner left ledge of the presser foot. And just to end it, you always reverse stitch as well, and that makes sure that your stitch is nice and firm. Once you've actually got that in place, you'll actually notice that you've got a tube for which to insert your elastic.